Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make chocolate yogurt at home. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of plain, unsweetened, full-fat yogurt, which provides a creamy base. Next, grab 2 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder for that rich chocolate flavor. Finally, have 2 tablespoons of your preferred sweetener, like maple syrup or honey, ready to adjust to your taste. These few items are all you need to begin this delicious journey. Now, let's create our chocolate base. In a small bowl, combine your 2 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder with your 2 tablespoons of sweetener. Gradually add about 1 to 2 tablespoons of hot water, stirring continuously. The goal is to form a smooth, thick chocolate syrup, free of any lumps. This concentrated chocolate mixture will infuse your yogurt with deep, rich flavor, making it truly irresistible. With your chocolate syrup ready, it's time to combine everything. Add the entire chocolate mixture to your 1 cup of plain yogurt. Using a spoon or spatula, gently fold the chocolate into the yogurt until it's completely incorporated and boasts a uniform brown color. Avoid overmixing, which can thin the yogurt. Once mixed, cover the bowl and chill it in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes to allow the flavors to meld beautifully. Your delicious homemade chocolate yogurt is now ready to enjoy. Serve it chilled for the best taste and texture. Feel free to customize it with your favorite toppings, fresh raspberries, a sprinkle of granola, or even a few dark chocolate chips make wonderful additions. This recipe yields about 1 1/4 cups of yogurt. Store any remaining yogurt in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.